Welcome to the iPhone application training. This is video number 9, a simple TableView application. This is the application I'm going to achieve right now. This is my simple table view with the items, and I could select the items and go to the next page. Now open your Xcode to create the navigation based application. In navigation based application, the class has been extended by the superclass UI TableView controller. So, TableView methods are available in the TableView controller. Import the project TableView app delegate.header file. As you all know, read load is the initial launching point of any application. So, type your array items inside the read method. Array could have any number of objects. Since I have used NS array, I could not change the array size once I have declared. If you want to dynamically add your content to the array, use NS mutable array. The method self for row at index path is the main method in TableView creation. These are the predefined code in the TableView controller. To set the content in each row, you have to type it as cell.text equal to content array object at index path dot row. Index path defines the each row in the table view. Row get the row index position. You have to specify the how many rows you needed in the number of rows in the section. Return count array count. This will return the number of objects you have defined in that array. Now go to your main window.xab. Now create a new file. Select view controller subclass. I'm creating this new class to show the selected text in the second view. Open your detail view controller.header file. Create an integer variable and a label that will show the which item you have selected in the type in the table. Create property for those objects. Since I'm going to use from the table view to this detail view controller, you have to create a property and synthesize. Open your detail view controller.xib. Drag a label. Now link the object you have created for the label to this label. Come to the detail view controller implementation file and synthesize those objects, integer variable and the object you have created for the label. To access the detail view controller, create the add class detail view controller in a root view controller.header file. Create the object for the detail view controller class. You have to create a property for the detail view controller class object. Go to your view controller.implementation file and in detail view controller.header file, synthesize the object you have created for the detail view controller. There is an inbuilt method called didSelectRow at index path. This is the function will be invoked when you click the item from the table. Type your if condition there. Controllers equal to nil. Create the memory allocation for the detail view controller object. Initiate with the name. Specify the design view for the detail view controller class. Assign the DV controller to the A controller you have created now. Finally, release the A controller object to view from To navigate from one view to another view, type cell navigation controller, push view controller, DV controller. Create a function in the detail view controller.header file. This is the user defined function. The function name can be anything. Go to your detail view controller.implementation file. Type your function body. Row number is equal to index number plus 1. Set the content for the label. Set your content in a string format. Percentage %i is defined for the integer value will be passed to that position. Go to the root controller dot implementation file. Under the did select row at index path method, type db controller update number colon index path row. This will set the parameter in the update row number method. Set the text for the label in immediate load because it has to invoke because the content of the label must be shown at the time of TableView controller class loading. Finally, release all the memory. Go to your root controller.implementation file. Release the memory for the DV controller. Run your application. You can see our array values and the detail view here. Our application runs fine. Thank you for watching this video.